I don't.
It's squirmy. It's scary.
It's Look at it. That looks like what you see like out in Texas. Yep. I think the actual big storm's gonna miss us though, but the cool cloud. Classic Supercell thing there. Huh?
Oh, they're turning us away.
Oh, those. Okay, I know where to go. Go down to the strip malls.
Oh, I got another call coming.
Strip malls. Down there.
Yep.
Woo. Unless there's a tornado coming right now. What? Big hail's coming? Oh my god, there is! Let me in! What happened? There's big hail, big hail, big hail! Okay. Okay, we're safe now. Do they know that? Oh my god, look at it coming!
Yep. Oh, look right there, another rotation. Possibly, or otherwise blowing.
Oh!
Okay, alright.
Oh my god, that's big hail, you guys!
Big ass hail.
I'm scared! Oh my god!
Holy, look at the wind blowing! How do I dial home? How do you get in? How do you get in?
Got it? Here, let me take it.
I got it. 70. Go get the
and moving on north and northeast through Sioux City. It'll be heading up towards Merrill and Lamarche and into the
At 8:48 p.m. a pilot reported a tornado near the
It's not every once in a while now.
No, it's a little bit more frequent. I can't see how big they are though.
They're soft though.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at them hit.
Yep.
Ooh, that was a big one.
Unless they're just busting
Oh,
apart.
there's a tree down.
Oh, was there?
It was a little branch.
Oh.